is Eagle, and today I'll be showing you my building station. So yeah, see, here's my head. Clear head. Black head. And skeleton head. Okay, so that's my head. This is my bodies. Legs. Plain black legs. And then these are stuff to hold. Well, I still have to organize it because you can't hold a dog. I still have to organize it a little bit. But yeah, these are my helmets. My wigs. How to still sorting out, like I said. Here. And yeah. And then here's my hats. And yeah, and then stuff to put around your neck. Some backpack, a beard, and some keeps, armor, all sorts of stuff. And then last is my weapons. Some of my weapons, but I have more weapons. Like 5 times more. And yeah. So those are my heads, bodies, legs, wigs, helmets, stuff to hold, hats, neck stuff, and my weapons. I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe, and bye.